Bem-vindos ao meu canal e bem-vindos à minha casa também. Hoje eu vou mostrar a minha casa e também mostrar vocabulário de inglês para vocês. Então vai ser uma mistura de vlog com aula de inglês, ok? So my name is Paula Inglês. Welcome to my channel and welcome my home and let's go. Vou começar mostrando a sala que em inglês é living room. Eu trabalho aqui, principalmente quando eu tô criando conteúdo, creating content, and there are two MacBooks. This one is my husband, and this is mine, and mine is pink. Why not? This is my desk, guys, where I study and work. I don't like to give classes here a lot because I prefer to use my computer, not the MacBook. But when I work here, I like to look at the trees. There are many lights here during the day. Look at that. I can feel the sunlight through the window. I love it. Okay, this is now other point of view, and I love this picture. It's very big. Okay, there is also this big mirror. Hi. And here we have the corridor. Aqui a gente vai ter a cozinha, mas eu já fiz um vídeo onde eu praticamente falo todo o vocabulário de cozinha para vocês em inglês, então vou colocar o card aqui. We have here the kitchen, as I said, and next to the kitchen you have the laundromat, the place where I wash my clothes. We have here the bathroom. Do you know the difference between restaurant and bathroom? Restaurant is without area for to take a bath, and bathroom you can have a shower, and you have to pee. You ask for a restroom, not a bathroom. So I'm now in my bathroom. So we have a shower, that's because it's a bathroom. And this is the toilet, and this is the mirror. We also have lights here. Let me show you. Okay. And here's the sink with the products and also the brushes and with other products. How can I say this in English? This is a faucet, and this is the, it's a handle. Here I have my bedroom, and next to it we have our office, but my husband is working there right now, so I must be a little quiet. Most of the part I give classes at this office, not in the living room. So this is the other mirror, and I have many books here, books that I love. My jewelry box there, and this is the bed, and there are some random clothes I need, the fan behind me, and more clothes there, and a big window with more trees. So I finished it in the office now. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Subscribe and also follow me on the other social medias. And that's it. Thank you for today. Bye. See you next video.